Hi there. I'm so glad you're here. Let's talk about strength training. It's for everyone, not just bodybuilders. Strength training is about using resistance to make your muscles stronger. You can use weights, resistance bands, or even your own body weight. It's all about challenging your muscles. Don't worry if you're a beginner. We'll start with simple exercises. You can do this. Are you ready to get started? Let's go. Why is strength training so important? It's more than just building big muscles. It's about improving your overall health and well-being. Strength training helps you do everyday activities more easily. Need to carry heavy groceries? No problem. Strength training makes it easier. It's also great for your bones. Strong muscles mean strong bones. This is especially important as we age. Are you ready to feel stronger and healthier? Let's explore the benefits. Strength training has amazing benefits that go beyond just building muscle. Get ready to be amazed by what your body can achieve. One of the biggest benefits is muscle gain, which not only enhances your physique but also boosts your overall strength. As you lift weights, your muscles get stronger and bigger, allowing you to perform daily tasks with greater ease and efficiency. More muscle means you burn more calories even at rest, which is a fantastic way to manage your weight effortlessly. Strength training also helps with weight management by increasing your metabolic rate. You burn calories during and after your workout, thanks to the afterburn effect, which keeps your metabolism elevated for hours. This boosts your metabolism and helps you lose weight or maintain a healthy weight, making it easier to achieve your fitness goals. And let's not forget about the mental benefits. Strength training can be a powerful stress reliever. Strength training can reduce stress and improve your mood, thanks to the release of endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. You'll feel more confident and empowered, ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. Ready to experience these benefits? Let's learn the basics and start your journey to a stronger, healthier you. Before you jump into strength training, let's cover some important principles. These will help you get the most out of your workouts and stay safe. Progressive overload is key to muscle growth. It means gradually increasing the weight or resistance over time. Proper form is crucial. Focus on doing each exercise correctly. This prevents injuries and ensures you're targeting the right muscles. Recovery is just as important as working out. Give your muscles time to rest and rebuild between workouts. Now that you know the basics, let's warm up. Section 5. Warm up for a great workout. A good warm-up is essential before any strength training session. It prepares your muscles for exercise and prevents injuries. Start with some light cardio, like jogging in place or jumping jacks. This gets your heart rate up and increases blood flow to your muscles. Next, do some dynamic stretches. Arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists are great options. Move your body through a full range of motion. Now that you're warmed up, let's move on to some exercises. Section 6. Easy exercises to get you started. Whether you're new to fitness or just looking to get back into a routine, these exercises are perfect for building a strong foundation. Let's start with some beginner-friendly exercises. These movements are designed to be simple yet effective, ensuring you get the most out of your workout without feeling overwhelmed. These are compound movements that work for multiple muscle groups at once. Compound exercises are great because they maximize efficiency, allowing you to target several areas of your body simultaneously. Squats. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart. This exercise is fundamental for building lower body strength. Lower your hips as if you're sitting in a chair. Make sure to keep your weight on your heels to avoid putting too much pressure on your knees. Keep your back straight and core engaged. This will help you maintain proper form and prevent injury. Push-ups. Start in a plank position with your hands shoulder-width apart. Push-ups are excellent for building upper body strength. Lower your chest towards the floor, keeping your elbows close to your body. This ensures that you are engaging your chest muscles effectively. Push back up to the starting position. Remember to keep your body in a straight line throughout the movement. Lunges. Step forward with one leg and lower your body until both knees are bent at a 90-degree angle. Lunges are great for targeting your legs and glutes. Keep your front knee in line with your ankle. This helps to protect your knee joint and ensures proper form. Push back to the starting position and repeat on the other side. Make sure to engage your core for balance. Dumbbell rows. Stand with your feet shoulder-width apart, holding a dumbbell in each hand. This exercise targets your back muscles. Bend at your hips, keeping your back straight. This position helps to engage your back muscles effectively. Let the dumbbells hang towards the floor. This is your starting position. Pull the dumbbells up towards your chest, squeezing your shoulder blades together. This movement helps to strengthen your upper back. Planks. Start in a push-up position, but rest on your forearms instead of your hands. Planks are excellent for building core strength. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels. This ensures that you are engaging your core muscles properly. Hold this position for as long as you can. Aim to increase your hold time gradually as you build strength. Remember, consistency is key to seeing progress in your fitness journey. Section 7. Cool down and recover. Cooling down is an essential part of any workout routine. After your workout, it's time to cool down and stretch. This phase helps your body transition from high activity to a state of rest. This helps your muscles recover and prevents soreness. Stretching increases blood flow to your muscles, aiding in the removal of lactic acid. Focus on static stretches, holding each stretch for 30 seconds. Static stretching involves holding a position to lengthen the muscle. Breathe deeply and relax into the stretch. Deep breathing helps to oxygenate your muscles and promotes relaxation. Hamstring stretch. Sit on the floor with your legs extended. This stretch targets the muscles at the back of your thighs. Reach for your toes, keeping your back straight. Maintaining a straight back ensures you are stretching the hamstrings effectively. Quadriceps stretch. Stand up straight and grab one foot behind you. This stretch focuses on the muscles at the front of your thighs. Gently pull your heel towards your glutes. Be sure to keep your knees close together to maximize the stretch. Shoulder stretch. Interlace your fingers behind your back and straighten your arms. This stretch helps to open up your chest and shoulders. Lift your arms up and hold the stretch. Holding this position will help improve your shoulder flexibility and posture. Section 8. Make strength training a habit. Consistency is key when it comes to strength training. Here are some tips to help you make it a habit. Set realistic goals. Start with 2 to 3 workouts per week and gradually increase the frequency or duration. Find a workout buddy. Having a workout partner can make it more fun and keep you accountable. Schedule your workouts. Treat your workouts like important appointments and mark them on your calendar. Listen to your body. Don't push yourself too hard, especially when you're starting out. Remember, every little bit counts. Section 9. Your journey to a stronger you. Congratulations on taking the first step towards a stronger you. Strength training is a journey, not a race. Remember the key principles: progressive overload, proper form, and recovery. Listen to your body, be patient, and celebrate your progress along the way. You've got this. Section 10. Keep going, you got this. Thank you for joining me on this strength training journey. I hope you feel empowered to make it a part of your life. Remember, consistency is key. Stick with it, and you'll reap the amazing benefits of a stronger, healthier you. Now go out there and crush it.